Dear students, I welcome you all to this problem solution series in digital electronics. I am solving the problems from the book Digital Design by Maurice Mano and Michael Sileti. So in this video I am solving the problem number 2.19 from chapter number 2. So the problem is express the following function as a sum of minterms and product of maxterms. We are given a function f, that consists of 4 input variables a, b, c and d. So we have to find out the sum of minterms and product of maxterms. So first of all we will write down f of a, b, c, d equal to b bar d plus a bar d plus b d. Okay. So we have to express all of these b bar d, a bar d and b d in terms such that they contain a, b, c and d, all of them. Okay, so what we'll do, we can write it as b bar d within bracket. If we multiply with c plus c bar, the c plus c bar is nothing but 1, so the value will be unchanged. Then we have a bar d and we will multiply with b plus b bar. Then we have b d and we multiply with a plus a bar. b bar c d plus b bar c bar d plus a bar b d plus. Now we can see that it contains 3 literals in each term. So again we can write it as b bar c d whole into a plus a bar. Okay, because a is not there. Similarly here also we can do it. If we multiply any term with 1, so the result will be unchanged. Okay, so again we can expand this. Now we can see that in each of these terms, there is a, b, c and d. Now we can write the sum of minterms expression. Okay, so the first term we can find it. So it is 1 0 1 1, so it will be 8 plus 2 plus 1, so 8 plus 3 is 11, comma. Then for this term we have 0 0 1 1, so it will be 3. Then we have 1 0 0 1 9, and so on we can find it. Okay, so this is the sum of minterms expression. Then we have to find out the product of maxterm expression. Let us rewrite this expression serially. Okay, so we'll get 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15. Okay, so this is the sum of minterm expression. Now we'll write down the product of maxterm expression. So for product of maxterm, we will have the term that is not present here, okay, in this sum of minterms expression. So we can write it as 0, then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay, so this is the product of maxterm expression. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.